In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Cursor AI IDE in Windows. Whether you're switching software, freeing up space, or just resolving an issue, this guide will take you through each step of the uninstallation process. By the end, you'll have a cleaner system and a better understanding of how this works. Let's get started by opening the control panel on your desktop or laptop. Don't worry if you're not familiar with where to find it. Simply click on the Start menu and in the search bar, type Control Panel. As soon as it appears, click to open it. The Control Panel is a centralized hub from which you can manage all sorts of system settings and configurations on your computer. Once you're in the Control Panel, we'll navigate to the section for dealing with programs. Look for the option labeled Programs and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll see Uninstall a program. It's usually one of the primary options listed, so go ahead and click on that. This section provides you a list of all the software currently installed on your machine, making it easy to manage them. Next, you'll need to find Cursor AI from this list. You can scroll through the list manually, but if you have a lot of programs installed, using the search function can save you a bit of time. Simply type Cursor AI in the search bar, typically located at the top right corner of the window. When Cursor AI appears in your list of programs, right-click on it. From the options that pop up, select Uninstall. This will initiate the uninstallation wizard, which will guide you through the process. Just follow the prompts until the software is removed from your system. Now that you've uninstalled Cursor AI, there may still be some leftover folders and files on your computer. These aren't harmful, but they can take up unnecessary space. To remove these, you'll need to perform a quick search on your PC. Open File Explorer and in the search bar, type Cursor AI. Delete any folders or files that remain. Be cautious and make sure you're deleting the correct files to avoid affecting any other programs. Finally, to complete the uninstallation process and ensure all changes take effect, restart your computer. This step is crucial as it allows your operating system to refresh and apply all alterations made during the uninstallation process. Once your computer reloads, you should find that Cursor AI has been successfully removed and your system is back to its optimized state. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to systematically remove software from your Windows PC, potentially improving performance and providing a clean slate for any new installations. If you have any other software removal needs in the future, you can follow similar steps to keep your system running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.